So what are probiotics? The word in itself, probiotic, means pro-life. So probiotics are going to be those good, positive life bacteria that line your gut or your intestinal tract and are surprisingly responsible for the majority of the functions within the body, not only breaking down the food, but then also helping to release and send chemical messages, mediators throughout the body that help your body function like it is designed to function. And we're supposed to have, in healthy individuals, a ratio of about 85% good bacteria and about 15% bad bacteria. There needs to be this good ratio to create a sense of harmony so that the good bacteria do what they're supposed to do and the bad bacteria are there to function to do what they are supposed to do, but they are contained or, kept in control. And unfortunately, with our dietary changes and our environmental changes and our climate changes, our gut bacteria ratio has been thrown off to where most individuals currently are walking around with about the opposite. There's about 15 to 20% good bacteria and about 80 to 90% of the bad bacteria. And that has been linked to most of our chronic diseases and ailments, mental health issues, and autoimmune diseases. And this type 2 diabetes epidemic that we have coming on is also very well much so related to this. So this is why it is so important to get your gut health in check, people. Your gut needs this probiotic bacteria or the good bacteria. And so some of the ways that you can get this or, get your good bacteria back in alignment is going to be to take probiotic supplements. And I recommend both Viome and Microbiome Labs as good suppliers of these probiotic supplements. And you're not just, going to the store and having to, do this all on your own and look up. Because there's so many different strains. There's thousands and thousands of bacterial strains, and you may not need all of them, or you may have a good amount of one and not a good amount of another, and so you just might need to increase the other. And so it's very important that you test and know what your body specifically needs, so that you're not wasting a whole lot of money and time and not getting down to the root cause in your healing. So both of these companies are two companies that I recommend that will definitely help you get on track with that. If you're just going to rely on food sources, which is another good, protocol to follow, you can eat raw fermented foods, things like sauerkraut and kimchi or cabbages or pickles even, that you can find in the refrigerated section of like your natural food stores or your natural food section in the grocery stores. And also buying organic produce from farmers markets, because you'll be exposed to organic dirt bugs or these beneficial organisms that were found in the organic dirt that's not tainted with a whole lot of pesticides and chemicals or antibiotics or things like that have killed off the good bacteria. I hope this answers your questions about what probiotics are. If you have any more, do get in touch. I don't mind explaining it in more detail and helping you to figure out which ones you need and why. But in the meantime, here's to your health and wellness.